In this video, we shall discuss change of punctuation, pronoun, modals and conversation or dialogue in indirect speech. Let us see the first one. How punctuation changes in indirect speech. So what is punctuation? Punctuation is marked like comma, full stop, question mark, etc. Now, in direct speech, the reporting verb is followed by comma. The words of the speaker always begin with capital letter and are kept within inverted comma. For example, Raju said, "I am well." Here, reporting verb Raju said is followed by comma and reported speech begins with capital letter and it is kept within inverted comma. Okay. Let us see one more example. Rama said to her, "You are beautiful." Okay. Rama said to her, "You are beautiful." So here reporting verb Rama said to her is followed by comma and reported speech always begins with capital letter and it is kept within inverted comma, right? Whereas in indirect speech, comma following the reporting verb is replaced by that. Inverted commas are not used. Question marks and exclamation marks are replaced by full stop. For example, Raju said that he was well. So here the comma is followed by conjunction that and the inverted comma is removed. Okay, and it is written as Raju said that he was well. Let us see one more example. Rama told her that she was beautiful. Here also the comma is replaced by that and double inverted comma is not used. And it is reported as Rama told her that she was beautiful. So, in simple way we can say that in direct speech the reporting verb is followed by comma and reported speech is kept within inverted comma and the word always begins with capital letter. And in indirect speech the comma is replaced by that and inverted comma is removed, is not used. Okay. After having been seen the punctuation, let us see about change of pronouns. Even though we have already seen it, but here let us learn some more about pronouns. So if the speaker is the first person, the pronoun remains unchanged in indirect speech. For example, I said, "I am good." Since the speaker is in the first person. Therefore, in reported speech, the pronoun I will remain unchanged I, as I said that I was good. Okay? Let us see second one. The second person. If the speaker is second person, the pronoun is changed to second person in indirect speech. Okay? For example, you said, I have a new bike. Since the speaker is second person, therefore the in reported speech, the pronoun I will change as you. Like you said that you had a new bike. Okay? Let us see how third person changes. So, if the speaker is third person, pronoun changes to third person. For example, she said, I have a headache. So, the speaker is in third person, therefore, in reported speech, the pronoun I changes to third person, she, as she said that she had a headache. Okay? So, if the speaker is first person, then the pronoun remains unchanged. If the speaker is second person, then pronoun changes to you, and if the speaker is third person, then the pronoun changes to third person, she or he. Okay? After having been seen about change of pronoun, we shall also look at the change of modals. So, in indirect speech, can changes to could, may changes to might, shall changes to should, will changes to would, and must changes to had to. Okay? After having been seen change of modals, now we shall focus on change of conversation or dialogue. So dialogue is conversation between two persons or more than two persons. Okay? Now, when we report dialogue or conversation, we don't use reporting verbs said or told, but we use verbs like replied, asked, informed, and added. Let us see example. Here there is dialogue between two persons, that is John and Joseph. So it is indirect speech. John, how are you? Joseph, I am fine. John, what are you doing now? Joseph, I am studying now. John, you have holiday tomorrow. So there is conversation, there is dialogue between two persons, John and Joseph. So remember, when we change this dialogue to indirect speech, the reporting verb changes to what? Replied, asked, informed, and added, not told and said. When we see this example, it will be easy. So John asked Joseph how he was. Joseph replied that he was fine. John asked Joseph what he was doing. Then Joseph answered that he was studying then. John informed him that he had holiday the previous day. Okay, so when we change dialogue, the reporting verb said or told changes to replied, asked, informed and added. Okay.